In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create forms in ClickUp. So whether you want to create a form from scratch or you want to use templates, it's pretty much simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to log into your ClickUp account, then head over to this plus icon called create. If you click on it, now you can see we can create quite a number of things, and among them is docs, forms, dashboard, and whiteboard. In my case, I want forms, so I'll click on forms, and this will take me to this new page where we can choose the type of forms we want. Among them, we have templates for feedback form, project intake, order form, job application, IT request, as well as you can just start creating your form from scratch. Now you have to note that if you want to use any of these templates for the form, you'll need to have a paid account. However, if you want to create your own form from scratch, you can still do it with your free account. So go ahead and click on any form that you want. You can search for it here, or you can select the space under which you want to add the form. And from here, go ahead and create it by giving it a name, and then click on create. And now you can see I'll need to have a paid account for me to proceed from here. So that's how you can create forms in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.